2024, new year, new skin. So I am showing you my nighttime skincare routine because I feel like that's the skincare routine that does its thing. Like daytime is important, but nighttime, I feel like that's when all the repair happens. That's when all the magic happens. And I don't play about my nighttime skincare routine. So, and honestly, this year or last year, 2023, I feel like my skin did really well. Like I can hardly remember having any breakouts. I can hardly remember like even like just going through it with my skin. I think I did good. I've started going to a med spa where I get like laser hair treatment, hydrofacials. But my skincare routine is still important. So that's that. I have a little bit of makeup on, so I'm going to take that off. This right here is my favorite makeup remover. This is the LMS Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm, and it comes in different, I want to say flavors, but different scents. It is the best at removing makeup. Like I have been through so many of these. This one is almost empty, and it is the best at removing makeup. So, oh, it smells so good. This is what it looks like. It's just like this, you know, cleansing balm. And what I do, just rub it all over my face. I haven't taken a shower yet, so my makeup routine is makeup off, shower, and then cleanse when I get out of the shower. So now I'm just taking makeup off, and it gets everything off, even like stubborn mascara. Everything just pretty much melts away. I use a reusable makeup wipe. I basically just throw them in the washer at the end of the week. I have several of these. These feel really good. This one came from Erno Laszlo, New York. They sent these to me, but these feel really good. They have them on Amazon. I bought a few on Amazon as well, where you just throw them in the wash. And this is like melting my makeup away. I'm a little bit aggressive when I'm taking my mascara off, so excuse that. Also aggressive with pulling my eyelashes. I don't wear lashes, but I am very aggressive when I am cleaning my eyes and my mascara. And it is gone. My makeup is wiped away. It smells so good. Like the green fig, this smell, y'all, just get it. It smells so good. All right, so now that my makeup is off, I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I will cleanse afterwards because that's the fun part. Okay, so we're at the shower, we're moisturized, the makeup is off, and it is time to clean my face. So one thing about my nighttime skincare routine, I like for my cleansers to feel light, and I like for my moisturizers to be thick. So I'm almost out of this. I'm almost out of everything. I need to stock up on Sephora, but this is my go-to cleanser. It's very light. It goes on. It has like a bit of a green smell, like it smells healthy, like a healthy facial cleanser. It is kale, green tea, spinach, vitamin superfood cleanser. It is the best. I use it all the time. It's my favorite. It's so light. I use it in the morning. I use it at nighttime. This is my favorite cleanser, and it foams very, very well. And I usually do 2 pumps, and I kind of just damp my face a little bit with some water. And this brush, I got this brush from Marshall's. It is Flawless, and it's just a silicone cleansing brush, but it works very, very well. It has 4 settings, or 3, I believe. One is just like a cleansing setting, and the other one is a exfoliating setting, and then it's one where it's like combined all together. So my face is all clean, washed. I feel good. I feel refreshed. So next part is my cleanser. Unless I am doing any type of treatment, spot treatment, I like to keep my skincare routine really simple. So at nighttime, it's really just cleanser and a really, really good moisturizer. And when I say really good, I mean like really good. I like my moisturizer to be thick. I kind of like my face to just look like a glazed donut at the end of the night. And if you want a thick moisturizer for night, Skin Fix is really, really good. I was introduced to Skin Fix at Sephora. I was looking for a nighttime cream, and I will never forget, the lady's name was Miss Smokey, and she's like, get this right here. And it was Skin Fix. It's called the Triple Lipid Peptide Cream, and it's super, super moisturizing. It has a little pump here that you just press and it pumps out. It is good for winter because my skin is always dry around this season. Most people's skin is always dry around this season. So this is really good for the winter time when you're struggling with dry skin. Look at that. It feels so good on my face. And we make sure we go all the way down. So if I don't have Skin Fix, like I said, I like to have like a heavy cream at night. So if I don't have Skin Fix, I just use a regular moisturizer, which may be a little bit lighter. But then I use this Versed. Versed came out with this overnight barrier balm. This is what it looks like. And it's just a barrier balm that you put over. It's like the last step of your skincare routine at nighttime. So this is what that looks like in the inside. It pretty much does the same thing. And last but not least, I have been struggling with dry lips lately. I don't know why. And usually I don't really struggle with dry lips. It could be the season, but this Laneige, I'm gonna figure out how to pronounce that. I use this Laneige Glowy Balm for nighttime. The Laneige works really good for overnight. They do have an overnight balm, but I ran out. So I'm using this one. This is gummy bear flavor, and it kind of tastes like gummy bear. But you can see it kind of puts like a purple tint on my lips. It's really good for overnight, for sleeping, for a lip mask if you have dry lips. I think it comes in like strawberry flavor. It has like different flavors, but it's really good. And you can get this at Sephora, you can get it at Amazon. But that is my nighttime skincare routine. Look at the Skin Fix glowing on my skin. And I feel good. Very easy, very simple, yet very effective nighttime skincare routine. And that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed.